Chapter 7 Understanding Robotics. Chapter Outline. In this chapter, you will learn the concept of robots, common characteristics of robots, advantages of robots over human beings, disadvantages of robots over human beings, computer versus robot, challenges faced in implementation of robots, robots the present and the future. KB. Ambi, are robots also machines? Ambi. Yes, KB, robots are intelligent machines. KB. And robots are computers also? Ambi. Yes, that is also true. KB. So, that means the computer that I have at home and the laptop on which my parents work are also robots. Ambi. No, you're getting it wrong. All robots are computers, but all computers are not robots. KB. Can you explain the difference in more detail? Ambi. Okay, let me tell you about the features that turn a computer into a robot. Robot. In today's world, technology gives us numerous opportunities to shape our lives in various ways that lead to comfort, convenience, and efficiency. The concept of robots comes into the picture when we start using the power of technology to replace humans, especially for routine and difficult tasks. A robot is a mechanical device that is controlled by computer programs to carry out various functions. So, a robot is an automated device that functions much like humans. Robots are multitasking manipulators that may be designed to move objects like materials, parts, tools, and specialized equipment from one location to another. Robots are machines that can be used to do jobs. Each robot has a different level of autonomy. Some robots can do work by themselves. Other robots always need to be controlled by humans. Robots are going to be part of human life in the days to come. The word robot is derived from the Czech word robota, which means forced labor. The word robot was first used in the 1920 play R.U.R. in reference to the play's characters who were mass-produced workers incapable of creative thinking. Smart Connect. The father of robotics is said to be Ismail al-Jazari. Robotics. Robotics is the branch of study that deals with designing, construction, and development of robots. Robotics combines the application of electronic engineering, mechanical engineering, information engineering, and computer science. Robotics is STEM, that is a combined application of science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. The robots are primarily being developed to perform a task on their own. Once the instructions have been programmed into them, the robots may be fully automatic or semi-automatic. Technology behind robotics. The present-day robots mainly work on batteries which can be heavy with long life like lead-acid battery or light with short lifespan like cadmium battery. The batteries are rechargeable and the robots can be plugged to power source for recharging. In human body, muscles contract and expand to move bones and joints. This function of muscles is performed by actuators in a robot. Some commonly used actuators are electric motors, muscle wires, and elastic nanotubes. Sensors allow robots to receive information about the external environment as well as its internal components. The modern robots have the sense of touch, vision, sonar, lidar, and radar. With the help of the sensor, they collect information. This information is processed by the built-in processor. The program of the robot instructs the processor what type of activity needs to be performed in response to the given instructions or output. Applications of robotics. Presently, the robots are being developed to perform a specific set of activities. As a result, various customized robots have been developed. Robotics in medicine. In medicine, the robots are used for various activities. Surgical robots are used for performing complex surgeries controlled by a surgeon. Companion robots are used for providing nursing facilities to patients. Disinfection robots are used for disinfecting a particular area using ultraviolet light in a short time, particularly to combat with microbes like Ebola virus, etc. Robotics in automobile manufacture. In automotive industry, the robots are used for assembling various parts of an automobile. They reduce the use of human labor and can lift and move heavy parts with ease. Robotics in banking. The robots are used for automation of various banking processes, document compliance, and reviewing financial documents. Robotics in military. In military operations, the robots are proving to be quite useful. The use of robots for attacking saves human life. The robots are used for transportation, rescue operations, and attacking enemies. The robots are also quite useful in navigation and exploring areas for landmines, etc. Robotics in agriculture. The contribution of robotics to agriculture is immense. Not only are the robots being used for seeding and weeding, but also harvesting of the crop. The robots are also playing an important role in analysis of soil and monitoring of environment. The driverless tractors, sprayers spraying pesticides and weedicides, and automated fruit pickers have reduced the involvement of labor in agriculture. Robotics in teaching. The robots are also replacing the human teachers due to their advanced calculating and analyzing skills as well as huge data that can be stored in their memory. Smart Connect. The robots that look like humans are called humanoids. Renowned robots. Various robots have been developed till date. The early robots were in the shape of machines, but recently the scientists and researchers are developing robots which resemble humans in shape and size. Some robots that have gained immense popularity are Woo-Wee Chip. Woo-Wee Chip is an intelligent and affectionate robot dog developed in 1980s. It is a robo-pet. It looks forward to play with the users. The characters of Chip dog of each user is different. It is developed on the basis of the commands and preferences given by the user. It can respond to verbal commands as well as hand gestures. It is developed on the concept of artificial intelligence or AI. ESIMO. ESIMO stands for Advanced Step in Innovative Mobility. It is a humanoid created by Honda in 2000. It can identify movement of objects, postures, voice commands, and gestures. Based on these abilities, it can interact with humans. Sophia. Sophia is a social humanoid developed in 2016. It has the ability to express feeling using facial expressions. Its face and behavior is almost human and can be easily mistaken for a human being. Sophia was developed to provide nursing service to the elderly and help to manage crowds at parks. It has 9 siblings as well to help it. Rashmi. It is the Indian version of Sophia. It is a robot that can speak Indian languages like Hindi, Marathi, and Bhojpuri along with English. It has linguistic interpretation, which means that it can understand the language the user is speaking and accordingly respond in that language. It also has facial recognition abilities to understand the mood of the user. Opportunity. It is a robotic rover space exploration vehicle developed by National Aeronautics and Space Administration, NASA, USA. NASA has sent this rover for exploration of the planet Mars. It has actively provided useful information about Mars from 2004 to 2018. Curiosity. It is another robotic rover developed by NASA for exploring weather conditions and conditions for life on Mars. It is also analyzing the possibility of cycles like water cycle, carbon dioxide cycle, etc. on Mars. It landed on Mars in 2012 and is still operational. Advantages of robots. Cost effectiveness. Robots may be programmed to operate constantly and without stopping in a repeated cycle and thereby increasing output. More output is produced, which helps in cost recovery and increases profits. Increased productivity. Robots can do repeated jobs more effectively than humans since they are built to perform the same task again and again without getting tired or taking a break. The application of robots in a manufacturing process increases productivity. Improved quality assurance. Repetitive manual work may decrease focus and increase the likelihood of mistakes and poor quality work in human beings. Robots avoid these risks by manufacturing and inspecting goods by predetermined standards. More precise and consistently high-quality products help the businesses to grow and expand. Reduced wastage. The use of robots in manufacturing process guarantees fewer quality variations, which means there will be no or minimum material waste because of failures or non-standard items. Consistency. Robots can do the same repetitive tasks with the same precision over an extended time after being programmed, ensuring consistency in the manufacturing workflow and output. Motivated workforce. The implementation of robots frees the workers from tedious, monotonous work and enables the management to reassign them to other activities that allow them to develop their abilities. The overall environment improves, which results in overall benefit to the company. Work in hazardous environments. Workers in some sectors may be required to work in inadequate or unsafe surroundings, posing health and safety hazards. Without harming businesses or their personnel, automated robots may be developed and used in any situation. Robots can endure a hostile environment of interplanetary space. They are made so that the planetary atmospheres do not affect their physical state and performance. Robots can be programmed to reach the Earth's center. They can be used to dig for fuels. They can be used for mining purposes. They can be harnessed for exploring the depths of oceans. They can be used to overcome the limitations that humans have. Long working hours. If properly maintained, robots can be operated for extended periods. However, people cannot constantly work at a certain point, which increases the danger of exhaustion, harm, and other problems. Robots do not require to sleep or take breaks. New jobs. The implementation of robots has opened a new field of job opportunities aimed for people who need to design and fix the issues in robots. Accuracy. Robots can perform precise tasks with great consistency and accuracy that humans can. This eliminates the risk of errors and inconsistencies. The robots can be very accurate to fractions of an inch as is needed, for example, in manufacturing or microelectronics. Robots cannot tremble or their hands do not shake as human hands do. They can have much smaller and versatile moving parts than people. They can perform medical surgeries because they can be faster and more precise than people. Indifferent environmental requirements. Robots don't have the same environmental requirements that humans do, such as lighting, air conditioning, or noise protection. Better sensors. Robots have some sensors or actuators which are more capable than humans. Disadvantages of robots. Potential job losses. The effect on people who may lose their jobs due to deployment of robots is one of the main worries. In the future, there could be no need for human involvement in some tasks since a robot can provide results more quickly with more detail and accuracy. Hiring skilled staff. The implementation of robots needs highly qualified employees skilled in complex programming, operations, and maintenance. A company specializing in automation can help with the initial installation and setup, but additional staff members must be trained to handle the system in the long term. Overdependence on technology. People may become dependent on this technology as soon as robots play a significant role in our everyday lives, which might lead to adding more functions to simplify our lives. With fewer contacts and motions, this can be harmful to human living. In addition, the absence of a backup plan leads to the entire process being adversely damaged if any automated system goes down due to a technical issue. Investment costs. The significant cost associated with the use of robots is a matter of concern for many corporates. Installation, upkeep, additional components, and programming are all included in the price. No analytical ability. Robots can be better for us in certain areas, but they need to improve our ability to think, evaluate, and create using knowledge from our environment. Robots are ideally suited for a limited number of specialized jobs to save labor costs and time. They are reliant on people because they program them for particular jobs. The use of robots remains constrained despite the substantial advancements made by artificial intelligence and machine learning. Continuous power supply. This is one of the disadvantages of robots. Robots consume a lot of power to function. Robots need to be maintained continuously to keep them in good condition. A huge amount of money needs to be kept aside for operation and running of robots. The program needed to make it function as per user needs costs even more. Dangerous. Robots can also be dangerous to humans when they malfunction or designed to work for warfare, and some of the countries have already started using robots in wars in various forms. Emotionless. Robots can never interact like humans as they lack empathy, which is one of the disadvantages of robots. Security risks. There is always a risk of robotic devices getting hacked or hijacked, especially if they are being used for defense and security purposes. Challenges faced in implementation of robots. The implementation of robots has many challenges. Most of the challenges pertain to artificial intelligence, perception, power sources, etc. Some of the major challenges include new materials fabrication methods. Gears, motors, and actuators are fundamental to today's robots, but tremendous work is already being done with artificial muscles, soft robotics, and assembly strategies that will help develop the next generation of autonomous robots that are multifunctional and power efficient. Creating bio-inspired robots. Robots inspired by nature are becoming more common in robotics labs. The main idea is to create robots that perform more like the efficient systems found in nature. The major challenges involved with this area have remained largely unchanged for 30 years. A battery to match metabolic conversion, muscle-like actuators, self-healing material, autonomy in any environment, human-like perception and computation and reasoning. Materials that couple sensing, actuation, computation and communication must be developed and shared before this segment takes off. These advances could lead to robots with features such as body support, weight reduction, impact protection, morphological computation and mobility. Better power sources. Robots are energy efficient. Improving the battery life is a major issue, especially for drones and mobile robots. Increased adoption of these systems is leading to new battery technologies that are affordable, safe, and longer lasting. Work is certainly being done to make the components of a robot more power efficient. The robots need to operate wirelessly in unstructured environments, extract energy from light, vibrations, and mechanical movement. Research is also being done to improve battery technology beyond the nickel, metal, hydride, and lithium-ion options currently available. Communication in robot swarms. Robot swarms are tricky because they need to sense not only the environment but also each robot in the swarm. They need to communicate with the other robots too while acting independently. Navigating unmapped environments. There has been significant progress made when it comes to robots perceiving and navigating their environments. Just look at self-driving cars, for example. Mapping and navigation techniques will continue to evolve, but future robots need to be able to operate in environments that are unmapped and poorly understood. Some of the improvements that need to be made include how to learn, forget, and associate memories of sciences both qualitatively and semantically, how to surpass purely geometric maps to have semantic understanding of the scene, how to reason about new concepts and their semantic representations and discover new objects or classes in the environment through learning and active interactions. Robot ethics. It is a major challenge and the robotics industry is well aware of this challenge. There is no well-defined ethical standards for the robots and the industry as of now, which can result in malicious and dangerous powers of robots, which may result in near extinction of human species.